We're going to try some up and down picking. Now, if you haven't done this before, it's kind of essential if you want to get fast. Now, keep in mind that I kind of do a bizarre technique. So I am holding an imaginary pick. You can happily hold a real one. This is just my thing. And I just use the nail and the front pad on my finger as if it's a pick. So exactly the same principle applies if you're using a pick. All right. Now, what we're going to do is just have a quick go at going down, then up. Now, the real trick here is to get the rhythm nice and consistent. Okay, so having a look at my right hand here, you've got your down, up. It's actually a really small movement. So you're not trying to do this, okay? That really doesn't help. Now, a really good technique to practice this is to actually just use just a tonal scale, as in hits all the tones. And it's great for a warm-up as well, just to get your fingers moving. So we'll actually have a try of it. Let's just go off the 3rd fret just for make it a little bit easier. Now, what we're going to do is run our fingers up. So 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay, then we're going to drop down to the next string and repeat. Now, essentially we're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we're going to try and get that nice and even. All right. Now, great little exercise to practice this. So what I'll do, I'll run through a couple of times all the way across all the 6 strings. Now. Okay, added bonus of this, really gets your left hand working, gets it coordinated. So if you've ever come across the concept of proprioception, you're training your fingers to know where to go, the actual muscles in it, and the nerves. All right, we'll run through again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going backwards. Okay, so we'll just keep it nice and slow. All right. Now, the idea now is you can start to move that across your fretboard. Okay, so if we move it up a fret and then again. Okay, so that down and up picking. All right, what we want to do is really start to speed it up as well. So we'll go up one more. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and faster again. Up one more. All right, now you get the idea. This can pick up in speed and speed and speed, and you really start to get control of your fretboard. It's really great to just warm up when you pick up the guitar, run through, moving up to the 12th fret. It'll only take a couple of minutes and you'll get good really fast. So let's throw in a little bit different. Now, when applying this to, say, a scale, you can actually get some really quick movements going. So say we're on our, we'll just use what have we got there? A G. We'll go on to the A minor. So, all right, or now you can actually get some really quick rhythms. Okay, so have a go at that, just running up and down, and getting your fingers into that rhythm. Now we can add to that by switching some strings. So now you've got to bounce between the way you down and up pick on that. So if you actually have a look here, we're going down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we'll leave that one there as a challenge. And we'll see you next time.